yeah. I don't know what's next, but I'm on shit. I've been on to something, I don't wanna top, but I can see it coming, cooking like an oven. I'ma get it poppin', never had an option. I've been feeling boxed in, go up and I blast up like a rocket, till I'm at the top, swear I'm never gonna stop it. Living in the west, moving east